Now we take a problem which is given on the screen. You are given that r square is x square plus y square plus z square and u square is xy plus yz plus xz, and then you are supposed to prove that these two determinants are equal. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने in previous videos we had learned that this particular determinant on the left side is the determinant obtained by cofactors of elements of the simple cyclic asymmetric determinant, that was precisely x, y, z, y, z, x, and then you have z, x, y. So this determinant on the left side is the determinant obtained by cofactors of this particular determinant. You can verify this as well. For example, the cofactor of x will be yz minus x square, and this is something which I told you to learn. For a symmetric determinant, we should know its value. We should also have an idea that how the determinant obtained by replacing the elements with the cofactors looks like. You should also have this idea. So the left side now, therefore, the value of the left side now becomes, the left side now will be equal to the square of this by Jacobi's theorem into, so we obtain this statement using Jacobi's theorem. Alright, and now simply multiply this to obtain, we are going for row into row calculations, so you get x square plus y square plus z square, and then you have xy plus yz plus zx, and then you have xz plus xy plus yz, and then again you have xy plus yz plus zx, then you have x square plus y square plus z square, and then again xz plus xy plus yz. I am doing it fast. If you want, you can solve it yourself also. You can pause the video at some stage and solve it yourself. And this is zx plus xy plus yz, then yz plus xz plus xy, and then x square plus y square plus z square. And now we are given that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and we are also given that xy plus yz plus xz is equal to u square. So simply put the values here, so this quantity, or you can solve it yourself, this is same as r square, u square, u square, u square, r square, u square, u square, u square, r square. So that completes the proof. So again, a simple question, a direct question. Once the key idea of Jacobi's theorem occurs to you, and also if you know that this determinant on the left side, this particular determinant, is obtained by using the cofactors of the standard symmetric determinant. So using these two notions of the standard determinant and Jacobi's theorem, you can easily solve this question.